Alert! Extremely high radiation levels are occurring at this time. Alert! Extremely high radiation levels are occurring at this time. Alert! Extremely high radiation levels are occurring at this time. Alert! Extremely high radiation levels are occurring at this time. Alert! Extremely high radiation levels are occurring at this time. Alert! Extremely high radiation levels are occurring at this time. Alert! Extremely high radiation levels are occurring at this time.
Live at SL10B in weekend. SL10B impressive, and I heard from the Linden Department, Emergency Department, that there are no concerns for the radiation toxic thingy from WeeWorld's going to hit Second Life for now, but they're on guard for Second Life residents. So we've been told to come closer, so we'll go there now. There's sewing and dance here at the moment, however, the toxic crowd is that close to Second Life grid. However, they should not be concerned at the moment. If it gets close to Second Life grid, then the Linden Emergency Management will issue radiation warning for the Second Life grid. And the IBC's police department, their office, as well as the firefighters, will have to respond. Is on standby at the moment in case the radiation warning is to be issued by the Linden Emergency Management, and that could affect the performance of SL10B and its experience and sets. Anyhow, I'm guessing about 1,000 meters close to the situation, and to go back a little. And because they was a bigger scene, and dancers are nervous about the situation and the party and the event performers and such. Thyself from Second Life. I'm Elite WeeWorld, founder and leader of Team Elite Second Life at SL10B. Back to you, Team Elite 313 Guideline at the Team Elite Guidelines Center Headquarters.